Hi. Good morning. This is day 2 of our goat farm management masterclass. Yesterday was very, very exciting and intriguing. Every one of our trainees left with this spark of excitement, this curiosity to want to know more. And this second day is going to be learning proper. You missed this, but make sure you don't miss the next one. Now let's dive right into the video.
Class was very impactful. I liked how the lectures went, and then I'd like to maybe try some other time.
You want to come some other time? Okay, we'll be glad to have you.
Yeah, it's a wonderful one.
Okay.
I really enjoyed it because I'm already into local goat farming, so this one has upgraded me to a new phase. So I'm looking forward to go and kickstart.
I came all the way from Adamawa, and I want to appreciate the RBCs for making this program a successful one for me. I learned a lot in goat production commercially, and I would like to advise those that are thinking, should I come for this program? Please come, because you will learn a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, it was actually interesting, and I think it opens our eyes to a lot of business opportunities. No, it's something they should. I mean, those who want to go, they should come for it. It's actually very, very empowering, and it opens one side to business is good. Doing business through good, making money.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.